Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to ask for GPS location in Google Forms. Google Forms doesn't have a built-in feature to automatically collect GPS location. However, you can still request location information. First, add a short answer question. Open your Google form, click the plus or add question button. Select short answer as the question type. In the question or description field, guide respondents. Example, please open Google Maps, drop a pin on your current location, copy the shareable link, and paste it below. When filling out the form, respondents will open Google Maps or any map service, find their location, and drop a pin. Copy the shareable link and paste it into your form's answer box. If you only need approximate location, you can also ask for city or address as a required field instead of GPS coordinates. And that's it. That's how to ask for GPS location in Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.